Understanding God is the simplest thing in the world. God is like the center of a circle, the starting point, the source, and the substance of everything. It's easier to know, see, or connect with God than it is to change our habits that have been shaped by our experiences for most of our lives. Some people believe that knowing or getting close to God requires years of hard work, following strict religious rules, and becoming a very righteous and pious person. But that's not true. Think of a wave in the ocean. It doesn't have to practice for years to know the ocean because the wave is part of the ocean. Similarly, you don't need to do anything special or go anywhere to reach God because God is already here and now. To realize God, you just need to understand what God truly is. Once you grasp that,